In this video, I'm going to show you the best and most affordable way to set up an LLC in about 5 to 10 minutes. This is the exact process I have personally used to set up multiple businesses. It is also the same process I recommend to anyone who wants to start a business the right way. Step-by-step LLC setup. Now that we've covered what an LLC is and why it matters, let's move into the setup process. This is the part most people are interested in. It may seem complicated at first, but I will walk you through everything step by step. Northwest is one of the most trusted LLC formation services in the United States. Choosing entity type and state. The first step is selecting your entity type. Since we are forming an LLC, leave this option as is. Next, select your jurisdiction. This should be the state where you primarily conduct business. Each order includes 1 free year of registered agent service. This is essential and normally costs around $125 per year. You also receive additional bonuses such as a domain, website tools, email, and phone services. Filing speed and company name. Next, choose between standard and expedited filing. This is a state fee and applies no matter how you file. For most people, standard filing is perfectly fine. After that, enter your company name. Make sure it follows your state's naming rules and includes LLC or limited liability company. Legal notices and business purpose. You'll then be asked if you want legal notices sent to an attorney. If you don't have one, select no. Next, enter your business purpose. Keep it simple. A short description is sufficient. Address selection. This step is extremely important. Do not use your home address. Business addresses are public information. Instead, use the registered agent address provided. This protects your privacy and keeps your personal address off public records. Company management. You'll now select how your LLC is managed. Choose member managed if you're running the business yourself. Most single-owner LLCs fall into this category. Enter your name as the member and use the registered agent address again. If there are multiple owners, you can add additional members. Additional services. Next, you'll see optional add-ons. One is obtaining an EIN. This is like a social security number for your business. You can pay Northwest to do this for you, or you can do it yourself in about 5 minutes. You may also see an option for S Corporation election. This can be done later and does not need to be selected now. Other services like trademarks or DBAs are optional and not required for most beginners. Account creation and payment. Create your account using an email and password. Then enter your contact information and payment details. Once everything is complete, submit your order. After submission. After payment, you'll gain access to your dashboard. This is where you can view documents, manage your registered agent service, and set up your website and email. Northwest handles the filing process and ensures everything is done correctly. This prevents costly mistakes and compliance issues. Final thoughts. As you can see, setting up an LLC takes about 5 to 10 minutes. This is the most affordable and reliable way to do it. I have personally used this method for multiple businesses. If you want to support the channel, use the link below to access the exclusive $39 package. It saves you money and helps support this content. If you're starting a business, I want to wish you the best of luck. Entrepreneurship has changed my life, and it can do the same for you. I've included additional resources below to help new business owners succeed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.